Cordillera history and festivals and introduction is our horizontal manifestation of vertical intentions. I make this analogy because the materials written in this book are not far removed from what we do in the Happy Yome Cultural Group. If you think of this as a printed guide to a Happy Yome performance, then your view is certainly not off the mark. The Happy Yome Cultural Group seeks to perpetuate the richness of the Cordillera culture. It is true that we present before you might be regarded as a spin-off of traditional movements and utterances inherited from generations of Igorots ahead of us. But I believe that this is the essence of oral tradition. The essence is that it evolves. Now that we have the benefit of scholarship, we have enriched our oral traditions exponentially by having a written record of these traditions as well as a systematic documentation of customs and practices. We do not clothe ourselves with superlatives as we declare that this work is a masterpiece in scholarly research and literary work. Our humble intention is merely to establish a template of our objectives that began when we formed the Happy Yome Cultural Group from the four corners of a classroom. Thus, I declare that this is not my work alone. It also seeks to pay tribute to the passion and commitment of the members of Happy Yome Cultural Group who have been the region's cultural ambassadors. I thank them as much as I thank all of those who have contributed to the publication of this book and whose names are not written in its pages. It is therefore a privilege to be here right now to speak of your infinite kindness and generosity. I now send this edition off to a wider audience. I hope that through our collective efforts, it would contribute to a continuing exciting discourse about the Cordillera, made even more stimulating simply because we want to know more.